Arunachal Pradesh. Respected speakers of the best Northeastern state legislature of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Gujarat, and Sikkim.
Nah.
So it's our mandate that we have executive committee meeting to sort out a lot of issues regarding the CPS opening. So today also we discussed various issues regarding how do we revamp the functioning of the CPSO. We, the entire delegates to the executive committee meet and decided on many of the next conferences and decided amendment in the constitution of our CPA garrison and day-to-day functioning, how do we go about it. And most importantly is why we meet all the time is, kind of address certain issues, which is common, for entire northeastern state.
What are those common issues that you raise?
No, today we had just discussed on our main issue was regarding the venue of the next conference. So the conference is where we discuss issues related to it. Today just executive committee. But that will be a larger platform. We decided that we will hold the conference sometime in September in Meghalaya and Shillong. So there we will be inviting a lot of delegates from different CPA branches of the northeastern state, which is India Region Zone 3. So there we have, so today we have already given an open invitation to come up with the topics on discussion during the conference. There we will come to know what are the suggestions which has come from different states, pertaining to the issues related to Northeast and how we can give an impetus to realize these issues and give a very fruitful solution, when it comes to the common issues which we face in the northeastern states.
So the number of working days in state assemblies has been reduced. So have you discussed the issue? This assembly is very important.
Not in the executive committee meet, but this are discussed in the main conferences. So it has always been an issue about the days, reduction in the days, but it depends the kind of government business. We cannot just pull it too long because until and unless we have a business to be discussed, there's no point in unnecessarily extending the dates of the assembly.
So do you think there is a need to increase the working days in assemblies?
No, obviously, because if we have a longer session, the members will get equal opportunity to put forward the issues related to their constituency, and maybe the larger issues of the state and maybe at the regional level. So that's obviously, but like I said, the government decides the business. So based on the business, the assembly decides the length of the assembly session. So you cannot just pull it for nothing. So why waste everyone's time? That's the main issue.
So what is generally that puts this allegation that the number of days are not
These are not discussed here, but this is an issue which we always, at the national level also, these discussions are there. But this will vary from state to state. But when you talk about my state, we give enough time to everyone. So there's no issue that we just cut them short. In fact, in our assembly, we make it a point that the oppositions get more opportunity because. See, when the opposition speak, then you come to know where the weakness is. You we get an opportunity to correct. So that's what we give a lot of opportunities. So we never had that kind of complaint from the opposition bench. They have enough time to put forward their problems and suggestions for the larger interest of the state.
So moving from this meeting to your state particularly, so how is the scenario in the borders particularly? China has been always an issue.
See, China, I don't know whether it's the right platform to say it, but since I come from a border state, my constituency is bordering with Tibet, China. So the issues will always be there when it's an unfriendly border. But like we always say, the country now under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister is doing a lot of developmental activities at the border, because the main issue was earlier the borders were neglected for a long time. So for want of basic infrastructures and facilities like healthcare and education, then people used to migrate from the border. So when the border is vacant, so obviously there will be incursion. So now that the Vibrant Village program is coming up, a lot of impetus is given on the road connectivity and telecom connectivity, the digital connectivity. The people now are going back to the border. So I say the local people are more strategic in national security. So you have to have the local people staying in the border. They will be more strategic in the national security than the defense personnel. So now that the government is coming up with Vibrant Village program, and the roads are being made, and my constituency, the double laning is on, and the internet connectivities are being, pushed in a very rigorous way. So I'm hopeful that this will give a lot of impetus on national security.
So, sir, what is your message to the people of Manipur? This is also one important thing.
I think I'm not mandated to speak on this.
It's
a very sad and unfortunate incident what has happened there. But I'll not be in a position to comment on this. But I would say that peace should prevail. Everyone should live in perfect harmony, because we all are human beings. We all are brothers and sisters. There should be one race that's a human race and one religion that's humanity. This is my feedback. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
हमारे घर थोड़ा से
कैसे
Arunachal Pradesh, respected speakers of the West Northeastern State Legislature of Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Sikkim.
Nah.